Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to temporarily deactivate on LinkedIn account. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply now tap on settings at very last. And after tap on settings, you can see this type of interface. Now you can tap on account preferences, and after this you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will find the very last option, that is account management. And here you can now tap on hibernate account. Tap on it, and you can just simply read the following paragraphs, and you can now tap on hibernate. And this is the way you can temporarily deactivate on LinkedIn account if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.